Debra lives in Cape Town. She enrolled from my advanced hosting program and opened her first Airbnb in Ceres. This is what she achieved.
Hello, I'm Debra. My listing is in Ceres. I took a long time to actually publish, but once I did, I published. After the week I published, I came back to the Wednesday session and coordinated another look at my listing because I didn't have any inquiries or bookings. And the very same night, I had my first inquiry and then bookings after that. And I find the Wednesday sessions extremely valuable because I have just been one of those hosts that goes in with a baptism of fire. And every week I have a question, and every week I am helped immediately, and everything is resolved immediately. And I do learn from the other people's experiences as well. So I am actually really finding the Wednesday sessions very valuable.